Virginia Outdoor Adventures. Please subscribe for future awesome content. In this video, we return to our favorite tiny cabin that's just down the road, and I try out my new Pelican kayak. Oh yeah, let's get into it! Back at the cabin. Yeah, you little monkey bunky. It's just a little tippy. Here, fishy, fishy, here, fishy, fishy, fishy. We're on. Oh, I gotta go loosen the drag. Oh yeah, we're on. Oh, I gotta get out of this. Get out of this. Oh, stick right here. He's gonna get me caught. He's gonna get me caught. What do we got? There we go. Ooh, head shake. There we go. Where's my net? Oh yeah, it's a good bass. There you go. Yeah. Knew they're in here. That's a good bass. You know, I was sitting here for like 20 minutes with the bobber. Second cast on the spoon. Yeah, baby. It's a good fish. You're not my target species, so I think I will let you go. It's a beautiful night. This clamp I got is awesome. Game changer in the kayak. I have an anchor too, but I didn't bring it. I figured this river is just too pushy. Land ho and our little cabin. Good. The sleepy puppy. It's nice to bring your own lights when you're in the small cabin because there's only a tiny light up there. You guys have seen our videos in this cabin before. This little mama's sleepy. Bella's tired. She's going night night. Good night. Smell fish on my hands. Go to bed, sweet girl. Table for one, and food for two. Bella's bowl. Bella, you want breakfast? Oh, you're awake now. Oh, special treat. Okay. Eat your food, dude. Bella, come down. When Mama's not here, we got a sleeping bag and, yeah, Cleveland Browns blanket. No sheets. We go hard, bro. Clean this bowl. Dish duty by Mother Nature. Ha. Ha. Zoop. Finest cutlery. Edit that out, Ryan. Yeah. Hot. Taking the current. Nice little break and still moving. I'm okay with that. Trying to paddle to this hunting blind against this current and wind. Fun. I cut the audio here because there's copyright music playing from the woods. There's also weather coming in, so I was moving back to get off the water. Kayla and I's very first YouTube video was right here. There was an RV there. We had our tent there and a canoe right there. I'll put a link in the video. Bella was in the window. Now she's standing at the door waiting for me to come inside. Goofy dog. Back at camp, temperatures are falling. Got off the water. Rain finally stopped, so we're at camp. Bella just did some walkies. This is our little micro setup next to the cabin. Got the tarp attached to the truck for the weekend. There's some nails that are already sticking out of this cabin. And, yeah. You see a puppy dog out there? Yeah, I bet you do. Or smells it. Calzone. Molto bene. Pepperoni. But you cannot have it. Not for dogs. Ryan here from Virginia Outdoor Adventures. I hope you're enjoying the video. If you haven't already, please subscribe. It's completely free and it helps our channel grow. Thank you so much. And if you're new to the channel, hello, welcome. If you're returning, thanks for coming back.
You put down the phone, you've nowhere to go. Get back on the road, yeah, it's over.
Ryan here from Virginia Outdoor Adventures. Dang it, wind?
Come on, man, it's over. Yeah, it's over.